happens in sub-Saharan Africa is often ignored until it moves into Europe or North America. And that's part of what has happened here. So now that there is spread within the country, it's mostly human-to-human transmission now. And it's extending beyond the borders, as we know, in a few cases in the surrounding countries, such as Rwanda. So, are we completely protected from it? No. It could certainly come here, and we have to be ready for it. We don't have to panic, but we do have to be prepared.
So it's not a news that we should take with a pinch of salt. We actually need to be alert and take more precautionary measures as a country. I want us to understand, is it a new thing, or it's something that has been reported elsewhere, outside even Africa, sub-Saharan Africa before?
Yes. So if I could go a little bit into the history. The virus is called monkeypox. Now many prefer mpox, but it was discovered in Denmark in a monkey in 1958. So that was a research monkey, and presumably that monkey was accidentally infected, because monkeys are not the true reservoir. The true reservoir is is some kind of rodent in the endemic area. It's not known exactly which one yet, but that's the most likely scenario. So the human in the past has been sort of the accidental host, and then there's been transmission a few cycles within humans, and then those outbreaks have died down. What's different here is more sustained human-to-human transmission. So I think right now the role of the wild animals is nil, and we're talking about the human-to-human transmission.
It's good you said the accidental infection of the monkey, because one of the questions that, just out of curiosity, does it come from monkeys? That's why it's called monkeypox. So where does it come from?
So it's from the rodents, as some type of contact results in human infection. That's the going idea as of now. Monkeys never have been a part of the whole chain of transmission.
All right. Is it related to smallpox or chickenpox? If you run us through even, the virus itself.
Yes, the monkeypox is rather closely related to smallpox. And in fact, that's probably why it wasn't really recognized until 1970. Because before that time, and without nearly as sophisticated diagnostic tools as are available now, those were probably assumed to be smallpox cases. And in fact, the smallpox vaccine has pretty good protection against monkeypox. Not 100%, but even people who had been vaccinated for smallpox many years ago have some level of protection. So yes, those two are related. Chickenpox is not a pox virus. It's a herpes virus. So biologically, it's not related to smallpox, but it can look like it. So when there's a bad chickenpox case, it can be thought maybe this is a monkeypox case.
Well said, Prof. But then, now that you've told us that, how then do you differentiate, these types of pox?